Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Messenger. Now, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android or even a computer, you can always log out of the Messenger app, but for whatever reason, they don't have a straightforward log out button. However, there are two workarounds to be able to log out of your account. I'll show you exactly how it works. Tap on the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. Tap on Menu at the bottom right. Tap on Settings at the top. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down. Tap on Password and Security. Scroll down. Tap on Where you're logged in. Tap on Facebook at the top. Tap on Select Devices to log out. You'll be able to see I'm logged into my Samsung Galaxy, my Android phone, as well as this iPhone. I can always log out of that account but just by selecting that specific device and tapping on Log Out at the bottom and tapping Log Out. Essentially, this will log you out of your Messenger account. The second option that you have on your iPhone or Android is to press and hold on the Messenger app, tap Remove App, and then Delete App, and then Delete. Essentially, delete the app and then immediately reinstall it. And by doing so, you will have logged out of the account and it will be fresh to be able to log into a different account or just leave it logged out. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.